Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we're doing the 20 subscriber specials on Phantom Forces. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what you want to see next. If you guys are new and don't know about this, I got banned from being able to live stream. I got terminated until June 20th, so I'm doing only live streams on VertiBox live streams channel, which I just created last night. Please go over there. I'll be doing a live stream later, probably after this video posts. So, stick around and find out. Okay, so let's get into Roblox. Deploy. What the... Wait, that's a weird intro. Okay, we're not gonna pay attention to my kills here yet. We're gonna pay attention to that next round. Unless I get 100 kills this round, which I doubt highly. Ow! Flip! Get him. Sunini's twin. Let's go to twin. Let's get victory, finally! I've been trying to get a victory for quite some time now. Okay, so this round that we're about to do, we're gonna be trying to not die. We're gonna try dying as little as possible and trying to get the maximum amount of kills as possible. Also, we need to get $320. Okay, let's go back. Weapon loadout. Back. What is this? Okay, so this round might not count. We're gonna see if we get enough kills, it will count. But if not, we're not gonna count this one. Sorry, we're using screen recorder again, but I was trying to use Loom, and if you guys know how to work it, I can't just get it to. It says I'm able to record 6-hour videos, but every time about 2 to 5 minutes into the video, it stops itself. Damn it. No! Really? 1-1. Okay, let's get the kills up and let's keep it at 1 death now. Okay, get up here. Go. Go. No! Are you flipping kidding me? 2 deaths, 1 kill. Let's go back over here. Now. spawn campers. Ow. What the flip? Spawn camper! I already have 4 deaths! Are you kidding me? No. Get in here. Are you flipping kidding me, you spawn camper? I already have 5 deaths, 3 kills. If I get spawn camp again, I'm rage quitting. Okay, let's find somebody else. Ow! Are you flipping kidding me? I just got killed by a KSG. Are you kidding me? Twin. Oops. Did not mean to do that. Take that back. Are you flipping kidding me? Trench mages can't kill from 9 studs. They're a 5-stud damage thing. God damn it. Are you kidding me? This is not working out. Are you flipping kidding me, you spawn camper? killed me. Sweet, sweet panda. Boat kick. Sweet. Tab. Sweet. Sweet. Panda. Panda. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's get back over into here. Go, 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 go. Are you flipping kidding me?
I'm not kidding you.
Are you? Are you? I killed you! You didn't kill me! Okay, let's get some more people here. I'm busy. I'm coming down in a second. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, I said. Okay, let's get over here. Okay, see you guys, and bye. Peace out.